Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 3 ICP of Science Education University of Makassar. My name is Nurul Putri.
My name is Miranda S.
And my name is Agung Wahyudi.
And now we are going to do an experiment and title vibration, wave, and sound.
The first experiment is vibration.
First, prepare tools and materials. And the second is give loads of 50, 70, 80, 120 and 130 on a holding that hangs on the stative. And then observe how many vibration frequencies are generated for 30 seconds. Repeat the same at the vibration frequency generated for 20 seconds.
This experiment is wave. A wave is a creepy vibration, and when it spins, the wave will move the energy but the medium does not creep. Based on the tethering media, there are two types of wave, namely mechanical wave and electromagnetic wave. Based on its shape, the wave is divided into namely transversal wave and longitudinal waves. Transversal wave has vibration direction and perpendicular phase direction. Longitudinal waves has a vibration direction and a parallel phase direction. Longitudinal wave consists of starch and instantaneous. Transversal wave consists of hills and valleys. Next, the property of waves. Waves can creep, waves can move energy, waves can be reflected, waves can be refractive, and the wave can change direction if it meets a barrier that has a crack or diffraction. This is, for example, transversal waves. And this is, for example, longitudinal waves. This is for wave experiment, and thank you for attention. Example of reflecting transwaves. Waves in the sea area. Example of transwaves. These waves from the transfer waves because they consist of where the direction is perpendicular to the direction of vibration. For example, in the following video. Example of reflecting longitudinal waves. you ever seen microwave and vehicle speed tools? Those two things are one example of the application of microwave. Microwave have a wavelength between 1 mm or 1 meter or a frequency 300. One example of the application of microwave is the oven. How microwave work in the oven, namely when pressing on the start button on the oven. Then the current arises from the voltage source. Then the current passes through the blanch hole and is amplified the transformer. The transformer is connected to the magnetron component, which is the core of the microwave oven, which serves to convert electrical energy into microwave radiation. A device resembles a rotating fan disk called iron. Iron is rotating disk and function to flatten the level of maturity of food.
And now we know the frequency of vibrating strings. Based on this experiment is seen as the longer the string, the lower the frequency produced, and the opposite. The greater the string, the higher the frequency produced.